In this video, we're going to share with you our simple bourbon cocktail recipe with Ghost Coast Distillery. Let's go. If you are new to this channel and you are interested in all things wedding or photography related, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. Bachelor party drinks can be kind of boring. Beer, shots, wine, that's just kind of pedantic. Instead, we've collaborated with Ghost Coast Distillery to bring you an amazing cocktail called the Time Traveler. This simple bourbon cocktail is going to leave you and your friends very, very happy. And so I'm gonna send you over to Sydney Lance so you can see his simple bourbon cocktail with their third release bourbon.
All right, guys, Sydney Lance again. I made this cocktail for our booze hounds. It's called the Time Traveler. It's made with our Ghost Coast third release bourbon, which is only gonna be out for a limited time. Then we have our Carthusian Bitters, which got a write-up in the bourbon review, and it's not even a bourbon. Woohoo! And we got our Chalmers Platinum Award winning from the Sip Review. Fun stuff. So all these items are really high proof, where you got 30% alcohol, 45% alcohol, and then you got another 40% alcohol. So that's why I kind of call it the Time Traveler, because you are going to travel if you drink too much of it. So we're gonna do a ½ ounce of your Chalmers. We're gonna have to, and then 3/4 of your Carthusian Bitters. And then we're doing 2 full ounces of our bourbon. Set that down here. And we're gonna get 1 dash of our chocolate bitters. So it's gonna almost give it like that chocolate covered cherry with a little minty freshness, and then a nice round bourbon finish here. We're gonna fill that with ice and then give it a little stir. What's your stir song? Did you ever see paradise? Willy Wonka. Simply take a look and you wet. Done there. So we're gonna strain this over 1 big ice cube, 1 big rock. And I like to give this a nice lemon expressed lemon peel, because that citrus just kind of opens the drink up. And it gives it a whole nother element of flavor. And there you go, Time Traveler.
If you've enjoyed this recipe from Sydney and you would like more just like it, then make sure that you head to the show notes below and get our PDF of all of their cocktail recipes from our video series with Ghost Coast Distillery. If you've enjoyed this video and would love to see more of our collaborations on craft wedding cocktails, then make sure you head to the playlist above. And if you would like to see more content just like this in the future, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that like button, as well as that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Thanks so much for watching.